This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show how you can check the data usage on this device. So first step is to launch settings. Onwards, enter the network and internet category. Here the, route pretty much splits. If you would like to see your Wi-Fi usage, go for the internet, non-operator data usage, and here it is. On the other hand, if you would like to check the cellular data usage, get back to the network and internet page, then go for the SIMs. And over here, open the app data usage field, or you can just, at the top of the page, you can also see the general amount of mobile data used. In my case, the app data usage section is unavailable since I do not have any mobile data usage, and to be perfectly honest, my SIM card is not active, so I will not be able to get any at the first place. But if you will have at least 1 byte of used cellular data, it will be active and you will be able to check your app data usage. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.